So here's the post that we generated, and I can see, yeah, okay, that looks pretty good. So from here, I can also edit, I can save, or I can create a carousel. I can pick my brand colors. I'm going to go with rose. It's posting to LinkedIn. I can select how many slides. I just want this to be 8. And I can generate the carousel. And while that's working, we can look up here. We can look at the other options we have, which are schedule, save it so that you can post it yourself later. And here we go. There's the carousel. And then I just attach it to my post.